good old Waste Connections doing the dirty work and delivering relatively stable returns. It just declared a quarterly dividend of 35 cents per share, following the increase of its regular quarterly dividend by 11.1% in October from the previous 31.5 cents, marking the ninth consecutive year of dividend increases, resulting in the annualized dividend reaching $1.40 per share. As usual, the board will review the dividend annually each October with a long-term goal of continued growth. Then remaining relatively stable, Waste Connections met Q4 2025 revenue expectations and modestly beat on earnings, while echoing a strong margin and cash flow outlook for 2026. Q4 revenue rose 5% year-over-year to $2.37 billion, in line with estimates. Adjusted EPS of $1.29 edged past consensus and improved from $1.16 a year ago. Net income totaled $258.5 million. Adjusted EBITDA reached $795.6 million, up 8.7% year-over-year, with margin expanding 110 basis points to 33.5%. Operating margin improved sharply to 17.7% versus a loss last year, driven by landfill-related impairments. Free cash flow margin held steady at 7.3%. For the full year 2025, revenue increased to $9.47 billion, with adjusted EBITDA of $3.13 billion, a 33% margin. Net income rose to $1.08 billion, or $4.17 per share, while adjusted EPS reached $5.15. Completed acquisitions added about $330 million in annualized revenue and returned a record $839 million to shareholders, including over $500 million in buybacks. 5-year revenue, CAGR, remains strong at 11.7%. For 2026, management guides revenue to $9.9 to $9.95 billion, adjusted EBITDA to $3.3 to $3.33 billion, and adjusted free cash flow to $1.4 to $1.45 billion for 11 to 15% growth. Operating cash flow is projected at $2.65 to $2.7 billion. Management stressed price-led organic growth, improving employee retention and safety metrics, and potential upside from acquisitions, stronger commodity prices, or macro recovery. With margins expanding despite soft commodity pricing, Waste Connections could be gearing up for another year of outsized margin performance and double-digit free cash flow growth in 2026. That's it on WCN. Quick and clean, so as usual. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.